What's up, guys? It's Skelton Under Pressure Car Washing Services. We're out here cleaning car dealership. Actually make that 2 car dealerships. I don't do a lot of how-to videos for you guys. Usually just kind of focus on what I'm doing and how I'm growing, but I did feel like it was important to kind of make this video. So if you guys have never done a car dealership, you're probably not familiar with these panels here. So these panels are alucobond panels. They're an aluminum, basically pre-finished aluminum panels, and you cannot put bleach on those. If you do, you will destroy them and you will be in a world of trouble. Whatever you do, do not put bleach on these. We've seen on these where it's been done previously and it streaked it up some. Whoever did it probably used like a light mix, so it probably didn't hurt too bad. But when it comes to alucobond panels, you need a good little degreaser and a brush. So we've got our 50-foot brush, our 50-foot pole that we use for brushing these panels. And actually this one, I've only got 30-foot section of it. That's really all we need for this. Probably don't even need that much, but we got 30 feet and it's allowing us to reach all the way up to the top. You can use gutter butter. I've heard the dilution ratios for that is 2 ounces per gallon. You can use One Restore. I'm not sure what the dilution ratios are on that, but we're actually using a product by Jay Racenstein called Purple Magic, and it actually works really well. It's going to get a little loud. I'm over here by the pressure washer. Just to show you guys, right there. So that's 3-star Purple Magic, it's the name of that product. Jay Racenstein sells it. And your dilution ratios are 5 to 9 ounces per gallon. So we started out at 5, wasn't really touching it. So now we're at about 7 ounces per gallon. And that actually seems to be working pretty well. It's cold out this morning. It's been sunny, 70 every single day. The minute we signed this contract, the day that we're coming out, it would be 32 degrees out. So it's cold, but we're managing it. And then the rest of the week's supposed to be all sunny. So, you know, go figure. But I felt like I had to make this video. It's really important for you guys to know, do not put bleach on alucobond panels. You will ruin them. So anyways, check in with you guys, let y'all know how it goes, and maybe show you a little bit of video of the process and the progress. So check in later. All right, guys, so we were making that video on the car dealership, and I wanted to kind of elaborate a little bit more on it. I didn't get to really kind of record us while we were out there. We started really kind of just getting into it, tackling it. Those alucobond panels that I mentioned, those things take a long time. I won't lie, that took a long time. I think we were out there, I think we probably spent the better part of 6-7 hours just brushing those panels. And then after that, the building only took like 2 hours. The whole 30,000 square foot building, I mean, the rest of it just went quick. It's all stucco, so we were able to just get out there and just kind of hit it with about a 2% mix and just melted it right off, you know, got rid of all the algae, and then we were able to rinse. I did say that you wanted like a light degreaser. Really, you guys need to go to Google and just kind of search alucobond panels, figure out exactly what cleaners they want you to use depending on the type of finish that's on them. But you can use some of the cleaners that I mentioned, like One Restore. I don't know the dilution ratios on it. And then also, if you guys have pure water, if you have, which we don't, or else we would have done that, but if you guys do have pure water system and a water fed pole, you can use that as well to clean those panels, and they should turn out pretty good. Like I said, the gutter butter would be 2 ounces per gallon. You're going to use a very soft bristle brush and just pump spray it. Unfortunately, just pump spray it on there, or pump spray it on the brush head, and then just lightly brush it. You got to get in between each one of the panels. A lot of algae gets in there, so you got to make sure that you're getting in there. And then occasionally bring your brush down, make sure that you're rinsing the brush head off. You don't want to get a bunch of algae and dirt and grime and stuff on there, because you don't want to scratch those panels up either. So yeah, that one, we got the whole thing knocked out, but it took a long time for us to get that one done. And then you guys definitely need to account for that. I think we were ballpark range about 14 to 15 cents a square foot on it, where a lot of times with big commercial stuff like that, kind of the going rate for commercial stuff is about 10 cents a square foot. But you know, all the additional time for the panels, plus just the fuel prices and the way all that's going up right now, and then the cost of all your cleaners has gotten more expensive too. So if you guys are still floating around 10 cents a square foot, you really need to come up. But we got that one knocked out, and then we started on the other one beside it, and we went ahead and got the front of that building done and a little bit on the side before the little drawstring on the gas roof pump snapped on us. So we ended up downstreaming a little bit more on it. We got to go back this weekend and get it finished. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I jumped on here and kind of elaborated a little bit more, and just kind of filled in some of those missing pieces for you guys. So hopefully that helps out. No, like I said, I didn't really get us doing the cleaning and actually brushing it, but we do have that long pole that we've got, and that's it. I mean, it's the process. You guys want to know the process? It's pump spray it, brush it while it's still wet. If it dries, it's gonna get gunked up and streaked, and then you just gotta do it again. So pre-wet it, put the cleaner on there, brush it while it's still wet, rinse it while it's still wet, so it all comes right back off. If not, it will stick, and then you got to do it again. So if the panels are hot, if you're getting out there during the afternoon, brush quick, because it's going to stick so much faster. So just make sure you keep everything wet. Very light bristle brush, and you guys should be golden. I don't see myself signing up for another car dealership anytime soon. It kind of sucked. I mean, it's good money. We made pretty decent on it, but definitely not going to be my favorite or my go-to for making some quick cash, because they're very labor intensive, and they'll take 3 to 5 times probably longer than what you would expect if you could just go out there and soft wash it. So anyways, that's it. Hope you guys are all doing good. Hope you guys are getting busy. We're really starting to get busy now, so thank God for that. We were really struggling there, but now yeah, now we got like 30,000 on the books for March, and we still got another week and a half, and it's moving now. We're rolling. So yeah, hopefully we'll keep this momentum up and just keep getting busier and busier. Phone's starting to ring a bunch. I think we're getting about 8 to 10 leads a week right now is kind of how it's going, and about a third of that's been repeat customers, so it's been pretty healthy on that side for us too this year. So anyways, that's it. See you guys.